Optoma GT 1080 HDR Review. Optoma GT 1080 HDR is a short-throw projector, specifically designed for space-strapped users. It delivers the best gaming and movie-watching experience in varying degrees of ambient light. It offers easy setup, mobility, reliability, and incredible performance at a surprisingly low price point and overall cost of ownership. Designed for every home entertainment scenario, it contains many high-end features for a variety of use cases. Taking a close look at the Optoma GT 1080 HDR review will help you understand its true worth. Similar to all projectors, it has many pros and cons that you should be aware of before making the purchase. Here are some good features of this projector. Resolution. It provides a solid image with native 1080p resolution, high brightness, and deep contrast. As the name implies, it supports HDR, high dynamic range, for improving the picture quality significantly. In addition, it can also accept 4K signals to play 4K content. 1080p resolution with 4K input projects an image with clarity, sharpness, and great depth. Brightness. It offers an amplibright performance in ambient light with 3800 lumens. At such a lumen rating, you get incredibly bright and clear images, even during daytime. The high 50000/1 contrast ratio with deeper blacks enhances dark scenes. Moreover, it adds details and depth to the projected content. Color accuracy. Like other Optoma projectors, it also has stunning color performance with accurate sRGB colors and Rec.709 color profile. From image settings, you can adjust colors to meet your needs. If the room is small, it allows you to optimize the space in your living room by projecting a big image from a short distance. Again, it supports a large, 100-inch projection from a 1.1 meter distance. Enhanced gaming mode. Similar to other gaming projectors, it also focuses on the key features that gamers want. At 1080p 60Hz, the projector has an input lag of 16.4 ms. In enhanced gaming mode, it is rated 8.4 ms at 1080p 120 Hz, fast enough to keep up with the action and fast-paced games. Sound quality. It features a 10W speaker to provide reliable sound performance. At 10W, it is fit for a quiet, small room. You will need an external sound system for larger gatherings. It has an HDMI 1.4 input to support 3D content from nearly all 3D sources. The projector produces ultra-smooth 3D visuals with a 144Hz rapid refresh rate. The input interface is equipped with 4K and 1080 HDR input, HDMI 2.0, HDMI 1.4a, VGA, audio in, USB-A, VGA out, audio out, and RS-232.